wishing you very happy New Year. Yes, today, as everyone know, I am going to Goa. Yes, why I am going to Goa? I will let you know very soon. So before that, welcome to myself, Chinati. So Goan triple this Goa triple and the code a special person under it's a surprise. Ding, ding, ding. Chikkus. So Nyanam Chikku Anna, we both are going to Goa. So why are we going to Goa? We'll let you know very soon, right? Suspense. Really sorry. Actually, the what we are checking in all we couldn't take because we supposed to miss the flight. As usual, I was so late. So we are running.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, अपना मास्क नाक और मुंह ढककर पहने रखें। मास्क न पहने रखना नियमित दिशा निर्देशों के अनुसार एक दंडनीय अपराध है और सख्त कार्यवाही के अधीन है। कोविड संक्रमण के प्रसार को नियंत्रित करने में आपके सहयोग के लिए धन्यवाद।
So it's time around 12:30 midnight, 31st. We reached Goa. We're so tired. And see, Goa is full. Let me take my luggage. അവനക്ക് ഭയങ്കര ഉറക്കമായിരുന്നു പെട്ടെന്ന് ഹോട്ടൽ he wants to go to a hotel, right? അപ്പൊ early morning, 31st early morning. We are on our way to hotel. Yo, honey singer. Actually, Goa is so full, so rush. I am not liking. I am not liking anything.
Enjoy. Let us go.
Good morning. It's actually not good morning. It's good afternoon. We got up so late. We got up around. I woke up around at 12, but this guy 1:30. So I'm just going for my lunch. People will be crazy asking me why am I wearing the same outfit, but I changed and then again I thought, okay, I'll just go have my lunch and then come sleep for some time, and then I'll freshen up, go for my function. Today my function is going to be a surprise. It's not a surprise. It's in Casino. It's Cadillac Casino. Yeah. So I'm going to have my lunch now. I'll show you where I'm going to stay. I'm staying in Hyatt in Goa. So I'll show you the resort. Bye. What are you doing? Chico. See my position. Wait ചെയ്ത് ഞാൻ ചത്തു. Waiting, I have become crazily, madly hungry. Enough. So yes, we are going to have a lunch. Just want to show you how this is going to look. It's very nice. Actually, this resort is really nice. It have a very good view. Last night, I only കാണാൻ പറ്റിയില്ല, but it's nice. It's very pretty. serum. Actually, what happened? I forgot my glasses and it's very hot. So I thought I'll pick up one glasses which will help me. Thank you. Thank you. See my mummy. I'm missing her so much. I am missing her so much. This New Year she's not there with me. This Chico is there with me. രാത്രിയാണ് ഞങ്ങൾ ഭക്ഷണം കഴിക്കാൻ പുറത്തു പോവാ ഗോവൻ. This New Year 31st she's not there with me, but we are going to Munnar family trip. Bye. We are having our lunch. Seafood fried rice. Squid. That's it. Yes, I'm going to get ready for my event right now. కానీ నేను రెడీ అవ్వ ముందు నేను ఫేస్ వాష్ కానీ సీరం కానీ అన్ని పెట్టాలి. కానీ ఇప్పుడు నాకు మేబీ 2022 is going to start కాబట్టి నాకు చిన్న యాక్నీ ప్రాబ్లం అన్ని స్టార్ట్ అయింది. సో బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ యాక్నీ ప్రాబ్లం ఐ హ్యావ్ టు చేంజ్ మై ఫేస్ వాష్ ఫర్ సమ్ టైమ్. సో ఐ థాట్ ఐ విల్ టెల్ యూ గైస్ లైక్ నేను ఏం యూజ్ చేస్తున్నావు అంటే, because so many people asked me like acne the time ఏం చేద్దాం what all. Yes, home remedies they say good కానీ from the face wash to everything we have to change. అప్పుడు మనకి యాక్నీ ప్రాబ్లం ఉండే టైం we have to change everything. So right now, yes, I'm using Derma-Co face wash. అది డెర్మాదేనే ప్రోడక్ట్. సో ఈ Derma-Co face wash లో ఏముందంటే it have 3% AHA BHA forming face wash. So this will this is very good for your acne issues. So that is the reason I'm using this product. So it's very good for me. Right now I'm using this product. So nenu idi use chedam. I'll show you. Just that you have to take few cups. That's it. Ding ding ding. And the best part of this face wash endukante, this is like dermatology చేసిన face wash కాబట్టి మనకి ఇది మంచిది Derma-Co product. So that's the reason నేను ఈ face wash సజెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను. I'm sure nowadays so many people is trying this Derma-Co products. They are very good. You have a very fresh feeling. So ఆ తర్వాత మంచిగా ట్యాప్ చేసి you have to just clean your face good. అంతే అయిపోయింది. అన్ని ఫేస్ క్లీన్ అయిపోయింది. ఈ తర్వాత వాట్ ద నెక్స్ట్ ఇస్ దట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు బిఫోర్ మేకప్ you have to put some cream, serum, something like that. కానీ ఇప్పుడు నేను acne issues and acne marks issues ఉంది కాబట్టి I have to change my products, few things. So now Derma-Co, the same face wash brand Derma-Co nunchi I am using this serum which has 10% niacinamide face serum. This is more for your acne marks. So just can you see all these marks are just getting vanished right now. ఏం చేయవద్దు, ఇలా కొన్ని డ్రాప్స్ జస్ట్ ఫేస్ ఇలా పెట్టి వెరీ గుడ్ యాక్చువల్లీ ఆల్ acne issues acne marks will get controlled. సో ఇది ఇలా సెరం కొంచెం తీసి Done. These products are available in Flipkart, Nykaa, Amazon. So మీ అందరికి అలా కూడా ఆర్డర్ చేయవచ్చు. And please don't forget to use my coupon code which is Chinati20. I'm ready right now. So yes, let me go. Just get ready. Now I started getting ready for the event. I'm sorry, I'll be doing my makeup and then I want to talk few things. This year has been a very good year for me, 2021. Thank you so much, each and everyone, for supporting and for giving best compliments. And thanks to all my directors who have given me the best characters for this 2021. And I hope 2022 also will be the same, and wishing all of them all the success and prayers. Thank you so much, and let me start getting ready. So today I'm going to wear a black outfit. Blindly stop believing people. Another one. That also 2021's one. I've got few lessons. So stop believing people blindly. 2021 has been my best, I have to say. Lot of best roles in my career. First, starting from Navarasa with Arvind sir. It was a very good project for me. Agnilo Chedam. Alage Sundari title role. Thanks to Kalyan Garu, director. Thanks a lot, giving me a very strong title role, Sundari. Power play, again a different role from every other characters. Thanks to my director. And next is Talevi, L. Vijay sir, Shashikala character. Thank you so much. Yes, this year one more new thing has happened also. 2021 I started my YouTube channel. That I have to mention first, but I forgot. Kani, all my subscribers, all my viewers, chala thanks. Ellavarkum oruvaadu nanni. Thank you all for supporting me so much. 2021 I started my YouTube channel, but you guys gave me, I never expected I'll cross 150 subscribers in this year, but thanks a lot. But I want to give you more content, but I'm a bit lazy. That's all in my resolution. If I decide something to do tomorrow, I'll do that. I have decided all that. I hope it works. Alage, yes, my 3 roses. Thanks to SKN sir, thanks to Maruti Garu. Alage, thank you so much, AHA team. Alage, the best, my buddies Ravi Garu and Maggie. ఇద్దరికి చాలా థ్యాంక్స్, బికాస్ 3 Roses been my different role after a long time, and that gave me a different name and everything. So thanks to Ravi Garu and Maggie. Alage, coming to Jai Balaya. Thanks to Boypati Garu. Thank you so much. 2021 is ending with a very blockbuster year లాగా చెప్పడానికి ఒకటే రీజన్, అగంట. నా కెరీర్లో ఇంత పెద్ద హిట్ నాకు దొరకలే. సో 2021లో ఐ గాట్ ద బెస్ట్ బీయింగ్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అగంట. సీరియస్లీ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ టు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ హూ థాట్ ఫర్ దిస్ పద్మావతి క్యారెక్టర్. బాలయ్య గారితో వర్క్ చేయడం వెరీ వెరీ నైస్. సో ఎస్, దట్స్ ఇట్. If I talk more, my casino people will come and shoot me. I have to get ready. And thanks to all my viewers. I love you. Then I'll finish almost my makeup, and then I'll show you how I'm going to look for this Eve 2021 New Year, which is like 2022 New Year, how it's going to look. I'll show you very soon. Da-da-da. So here's my look for the day, New Year. Yes, I'm going for the event. Actually, I'm so hungry, so I had a small treat. Let's go. safer side one dress I'm taking. Scared. Come, let's go. I'll show what I'm going to do tonight. എല്ലാവർക്കും വണക്കം. ഇവിടെ എത്ര പേര് മലയാളീസ് ഉണ്ടെന്ന് എനിക്ക് അറിയില്ല, ബട്ട് സ്റ്റിൽ എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. അതേപോലെ തന്നെ തെലുഗുവേ, ഭയങ്കര തെലുഗുവേ. So I think yes, no Malus left, no Tamils left. Two. Come on. Curiosity. Two. Ready? Everybody along with Purna Garu. 2022. Let's welcome. Ready? Happy New Year! Why am I sitting like this? You guys know. Wishing you all happy New Year, but I lost my room. Actually, ఈ హోటల్ చాలా దూరం రిసెప్షన్, సో నాకు అంత దూరం వెళ్ళి I can't take my keys, I can't go so far. So I've called home, they have to come. Till then, my 2022 first visit is taking. Bye. Hi all, wishing you
Happy New Year.
very, very happy New Year! So this New Year, it is January 1st, 2022. We are ready to go out for our lunch. Today my flight is around midnight. That means second early morning, 1 o'clock is my flight. So now we are going out for our lunch. The room is so messy. After coming back, I'll show you how is Hyatt room. So this is my room, and yes, we are going for lunch, and wishing you all very, very, very happy New Year. Happy New Year. This is my new dress for New Year.
Good morning.
Very tired. Very tired, very hungry. Very, very, very hungry. My driver is not picking my phone. Where is he gone? So, yes, Aroju, I couldn't show the room. So, where I'm staying is Grand Hyatt Goa. So, come, let's see my room. Nothing much. Here you go. And this is the balcony. So this time I'm staying in a garden view. The other view was full, so I couldn't. So this is my view. That's it. What else you want to see? You want to see the washroom? Come, I'll show you.
Coming in.
Coming. That's it. This is my washroom. Wash area. That's it. See you. Yes, that's the end of Goa. Can you see the beach? This is our Hyatt personal beach. Kani, I just came the last day while I'm going. In under half an hour, I'm going to start from here. So saying bye-bye to Goa. Starting my 2022 with all good vibes and with good vibes, prosperity and good. I hope everything goes very good with very, very good news. And wishing all you once again very, very happy New Year. Adios, amigos. Signing off. Myself, Shinati.